Guys, how you doing? So today we got super something cool, good news. As you guys know, I broke my motor, and
Yes, guys, I broke my N54 motor, not on purpose or it didn't blow up. I was changing my spark plugs after I raced that Audi TTRS and a freaking something fell inside the key from the key that I was using and I didn't even see that. Next day I started the car and it's rattling like crazy. I had videos, I had everything, the pictures. It just I lost it on my phone because I just changed my phone, so I can show you guys. But you guys don't know how it sounds. It was just huge knocking sound. Piston got damaged. Everything got damaged inside. So we decided to go crazy this time. I'm tired of freaking starting the car and being scared. So we go hard now.
today we're installing LS into this BMW right here, E92 drag car. We took the front off, thanks to Michael. He took everything apart for me. I appreciate it so much. I'm gonna post his YouTube channel and you guys will see he does a lot of good things. And we got Vince here helping me out with the transmission, thanks to him too.
For the transmission, we went with FTI level 4.5, the 4.5 one, TH400 with PTC 18095, 4K stock motor, and a thicker flex plate. This setup should be able to make 1500 horsepower without much problems at the weight of this car we have right now. And I have him help him out.
He did all my flex plate, putting everything together, and we got a motor right here. LS 6-liter iron block. It has heads are 317 heads, stock bottom end. But I went to a guy named Georgie, LS Georgie. I'm gonna post his link, his shop, his Instagram on the bottom too. He rebuilt my, he did the rod bearings, he did the mellow high pressure high volume oil pump. He also did Ivy's timing chain kit. He installed my cam, my lower pan, everything. He also did the heads. He did the valve job, assembled all the double springs. We got a BTR 0.650 springs, and the cam is BTR stage 3 boost cam. And also he assembled everything together, ARP heads, new rings, and he opened the gap for a boost, and he doesn't tell me what size he opened up to. He's like, it's a secret. So anyways, we're gonna be able to push some boost into this car. We're also using solid mounts, solid engine mounts from Turner Motorsports. And this is the turbocharger that we're using. It's a 91 millimeter Borg Warner 114 on the back. We're gonna install this one. My friend Tihi Racing, Nick, he's gonna be installing my whole turbo kit. And we got a lot of parts here. LS3, throttle body, water pump, MSD wires, 220 amp. Then we got Holley high ram. We got a Holley high ram right here. We got a lot more parts, but they're not here. This is a transmission cooler, and this is for air to water intercooler. I'm gonna show you guys what I have more during this build. We're gonna be doing air to water, and we got a lot of parts. We got a parachute for this car. We have a lot of crazy things for this car. And we got 28 tires. This is 26s. They're gonna leave. They're gonna go out. And we got a turbo 400 transmission. It's a FTI level 4.5 transmission. And we got, I'm gonna post some pictures. We got what do we have? We have FTI 18/095 stall converter, 4K stall converter. And this is Mike's LSE90X. Mike's LS mounts for transmission and for engine. So basically how you do it is you install your OEM or aftermarket mounts, and then you install Michael's mounts right here. I think they go like this. You install like this, and then you torque it together when it's gonna be done. All right, guys, I'm so excited. My dad is gonna come by soon, and I'm gonna start putting it together inside the car. I'm supposed to freaking pressure wash it, but it's already too late. We might pressure wash it a little bit later. For now, I'll just clean it like this. Guys, I'm so excited for our last swap. I'm so excited. You guys don't even know how excited I am to do this.
Yeah, a lot of money was invested in this project.
Yes, yes, brother. 16 or 70,000 for last month or something, or for a couple of months.
For
Like
patience.
16,000, I think, just to make it all work.
Oh,
With the hood scoop, I don't know.
it will too high? The engine will
Yes,
too
it's
high?
gonna be too high. Yes, so we might have to do like a muscle car hood scoop,
Cool.
maybe. But it looked good. It looked good.
Yeah.
It's gonna be American muscle. American muscle, baby.
We can do the
American
hole inside the hood.
hole. Yeah, a lot of guys do that. A lot of guys do that. Yeah.
Все.
У меня pressure нема. У меня нема. Просто со шлангом, what do you think? Или нет смысла, если со шлангом просто. Но он все равно будет лучше, чем так.
Воды нальешь с этой брызгалки, помоешь. Все.
Ну да. Не-не-не, да просто даже возьму шлангу, просто буду мыть и продолжать смывать, знаешь.
Yeah, it looks like brand new.
Yes, it's better.
Much better. Yeah?
Much better. Okay, that's it. That's good. Он больше не работает, нервничаем. А вот сейчас.
Transmission mount.
Так, а давай сюда там закрутить, правильно? Закрутил, да? А где бортуха, ты не помнишь? Вот так вот, да?
Да.
Ну видишь, мы же не знаем, в какую сторону ставить. Блин, что ж делать? Может, да, ну лучше так поставить все равно, правильно? Потом лучше уже adjustment делать.
Это что тут у тебя за
Это резина,
Давай, я буду с ней. Это нас...
Так, поднимай чуть повыше, пап. Да, поднимай чуть повыше. Оно пускается.
Сейчас, подожди. Давай колеса ставим.
Там нормально продать, да? Все. Поднимай. Все. Папа, там нормально. Да, там нормально.
Вон мужик.
Тихо, подожди, сейчас. Колеса. Подожди.
Бездумчик, Саня.
Окей. Вже так рад, чесно.
Ти як дєцько.
Такое дитё собой.
Все?
Нет еще.
Толкать или опускать еще?
Ні, мені запускати не
Еще
Опускать,
опускай,
да?
да.
Я перестал опускать просто.
Опускай.
Не скажи, да стоп.
Опускай.
Тихо. Опускать?
Да.
Тихо, подожди, я боюсь. Тихо.
Стоп.
Ты не скажи, стоп, когда делаешь. Так, опускай, да?
Так,
Чуть-чуть, да или нет?
Надо кратить нижнюю часть.
Трансмиссии?
Угу. Она
Окей.
полностью, блок уже зашел до конца.
Да.
Окей, давай тогда бортука, домкрат, я вот здесь возьму. Тихо, всё
Нет.
нормально.
Так он еще не открутил.
Вот,
Убери пальцы.
вот, нашел, вот, ага. Я тебе сейчас ставлю. Так, вот, поставил. It was so dirty. Thanks for Michael, my dad, and the guy wins. We put everything together. Now, I'm coming back on Saturday. I don't know if Michael's gonna be able to come by, but I'm gonna come by on Saturday, put the water pump, install the ATI. This is something else. damper. We're gonna install the damper right here, and this is for later. This is thing. We're gonna install the Holley high ram, water pump, all the things inside, and start slowly putting it back together. Yeah, that's it.